Hey, what's up? This is a quick review on the Darkin large hard painted saddlebags made for the Harley Davidson Street Bob by Viking Bags. The great thing about these bags, if you get them for your bike, they automatically come with this sleep indent into the bag, so you don't have to relocate your rear lights. They, I mean, you can't beat that. They look really nice, you know? No relocating, no rewiring, everything is just perfect. Just snap them right on. The other great thing, they give you 2 sets of keys. So these guys are the quick mount and dismount. They come with this little lever inside. All you got to do is push the lever up. It's the easiest dismount you'll ever have to deal with. This guy comes right off, just like that. You can fit about a good, 6-pack, whatever you want. They're really nice. The other thing about these bags is you can't beat the look. They're really nice, you know? They're not too big and they're not too heavy. They're just right. You can pretty much pack whatever you need in there for a quick trip.